Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today we're doing some family caching and we're going after some geoart up here in the Francis Marion Forest. Alright, so here we are. I'm with my little buddy here, my son, and this is really the first time that we've actually done some geoart. Usually we're not really numbers people. So, and this is a geoart called Swamp Fox. Now, Curtis, what is geoart?
Geoart is made by geocaches in certain places to make an art piece.
Okay, yeah, so it's a bunch of caches and you have to have a 2-mile radius of where do you actually put like the mystery. Now this is a mystery cache, so we've already gone through and solved all the coordinates and everything, and now we're out here looking for it. All right, so I'm not gonna shoot every single one that we're gonna get because I think there's like 79 in this geoart, but we're gonna go after it. So we've got the first one. Nikki's gonna help me get it. Nikki, do you got something to sign it with? You got your pen? I know you got your new pack that you got for Christmas. So we had a geocaching Christmas. Each of the kids got their own pack. So I'm gonna get this and get your pen out and let's get this signed. All right, one down, many to go. Let's go get some more. So this one's a little bit different. I had to use a tool of the trade, and not the typical tool of the trade. No, I didn't hurt myself with this crutch here. No, that's my tool. So I'll show you what I had to do as I put this one back. Hopefully I don't slip when I'm putting it back. Because if you look over here, when we look here in a second, you'll see that there is just a bunch of water here. And it's over here on this tree limb right here. Well, I can't reach it. So I've stuck this in here. Oh yeah, and I've leaned in to get to the tree. A little bit different tool of the trade, but hey, whatever crutch will help you. So we've taken a short little break as we're out here getting this geoart, getting a little bit of food, eating our little Lunchables, so we can keep going and getting some more. Okay, so while we're out here caching, we're seeing some trash at different places. So you know what? We're turning this also into a cache in, trash out. All right, so we're taking a little bit of break from driving. Curtis and I, we're kind of walking to a few of these. You know, we're out here getting some extra steps, and we got 79 of these things to get. Yeah. So we just ate our lunch. How was your lunch, Curtis?
It was delicious. I love the pizza Lunchables. When I get back in that car, I'm so getting it out. 193. Well, there's a fence post right there. 165 feet to go.
All right, yeah, so we kind of just gave up on just kind of walking to them. We're trying to get this done now. We're about halfway done through this. My wife's kind of enjoying this because about every 10th of... Sorry, there's a bump in the road. She's enjoying it. She gets to kick me to the curb. Okay.
Ready for the next one?
I'm ready for the next one. Let's try and watch out for those potholes, okay?
I'll do my best.
All right. All right, so sometimes when you're geocaching, it takes you to places that you never would have even thought of. Well, we're out here doing this geoart today, and we have just come across this really neat old cemetery. So, just one of those really cool things that you find when you're geocaching. Never would have thought this was here. It's just out of a little dirt road on this GeoArt, and here we come up to the cemetery. Really cool. Wow. All right, we got it. Got the GeoArt. We started in the daylight. We finished at night. And you know what? We kind of upped the difficulty on the last 4 or 5 because we were looking for bison tubes in the woods with flashlights. That's not meant to be a night cache, but hey, we got it. We completed the GeoArt. Thank you, Brush Boy and Brush Girl, for putting this out there. Hey, did everybody have fun?
Yes!
All right, so you heard them. All right, hey, this is the first time you've watched Behind the Cache. Hey, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what's some of the coolest GeoArt you've ever done. We learned quite a bit on this one. Like, for instance, if you're using a cell phone, and I use Cachly, which is great, make an offline list of it because there was no signal out here. We had to go back out to find signal for a little bit just to get, be able to download the caches so we know where they're at because there was no signal and couldn't get hooked up out here. So next time we have that tip. So hey, once again, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache. Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Somebody say no.
No, nobody said no.